To set up Hotspot on Oppo Find X9 Pro, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to click on the mobile network right here, and then you can go to personal hotspot. Then there's the option to enable it, and after that you can go to hotspot settings. That way you'll be able to change first name for the hotspot, how everybody else will be able to see it. You can also change password, and later there will be option to remove the password if you like. Keep in mind that the password needs to have at least 8 digits. Then there's the security protocol, as I said, which allows you to remove the password, or you can go for any WPA protocol to activate the password. Then there's a P-band, which you can change to 2.4G or 5G. 2.4G offers more compatibility, which means other devices will be able to connect with your hotspot without any problem. So if there's a problem that other device can't connect, just switch to 2.4G and it should work. If you want faster network, you can go for 5G, but if the other device that does not support 5G won't be able to connect with that hotspot. Then there's option to hide hotspot, which will make it private. That way other devices will need to enter manual address to your hotspot. Lastly, there's use Wi-Fi 6, and this is also a compatibility issue, and you can enable this. That way your Wi-Fi hotspot will be quite faster, but at the same time other devices may have problem connecting with it. Now when everything is set right here, click on save, and that way your hotspot will be set up. There's other settings like connection management right there that you can adjust. In blacklist you'll be able to see all of the devices that you've banned from your hotspot. You can change devices connection limit, which will make for example only one device be able to connect with that hotspot, and you can also adjust a data usage limit on how much data can be consumed by hotspot. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.